This is part 8 of a multi-part training series that shows various ways to create animation without using a single keyframe. In previous videos, you saw how to create animation using a series of motion presets, batch animations, Lottie files, GIF animation files, actions, and scenes. See the link below for details. In this video, I will show you how to use a series of components to create an animation without using a single keyframe. Let us look at a simple example. Open Create Studio and add a static or dynamic background to your lacking. Add a series of components to your project. To save time, I've already added several components and adjusted their properties accordingly. Notice the project was created without using a single keyframe. Press the 0 or the spacebar key to play the animation.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis on a mission to build, resupply, and to do research on the International Space Station.
Houston now controlling. Atlantis begins its penultimate journey to shore up the International Space Station. Atlantis now in the proper alignment for its 8.5-minute ride to orbit, 4.5 million pounds of hardware and humans taking aim on the International Outpost. 30 seconds into the flight, Atlantis almost 2 miles in altitude, almost 6 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center already, traveling 500 miles an hour. The 3 liquid fuel main engines now throttling back to 72% of rated performance, going into the bucket, reducing the stress on the shuttle as it breaks through the sound barrier. Atlantis now beginning what is known as the pre-flare maneuver. It will pull the nose up a little bit right before it hits the runway. Its speed now 320 miles per hour. The gear is down and locked. Main gear touchdown. Atlantis' nose being now rotated down toward the runway. The chute being deployed. And nose gear touchdown. Space Shuttle Atlantis now comes home to the Kennedy Space Center for the final time. 25 years, 32 flights, and more than 120 million miles traveled. The legacy of Atlantis now in the history books.